What up, everybody? It's your boy Trey Strongs, aka the Elevated Chef. And I know you guys are used to recipes dropping on here, but I figured it's my channel, so if you switch it up a little bit, who gonna care? More importantly, you won't even know if you don't hit subscribe and the bell next to it to be notified every time we're dropping dank content. Even if it's not a recipe, it's gonna be dank content on you guys. Hit the bell, hit subscribe to be notified when we're dropping dank shit like this. Like I say, switching it up just a little bit, and I think that's okay. I think you guys want to see more content. I think you guys want to see, all the things that the chef is doing. So one of the things I did this year, big moment for me as far as 2021 is concerned, and just as an individual, got to go out to Vegas with the crew, check out MJ BizCon, get some bonding in, get some memories made. And it was just a really, I don't want to say life-changing experience, but it definitely, I wasn't the same after I left there in a very good way, in a very learned way, and just really left me with a lot of gas in the tank going forward for other things that we want to do, other things that we want to accomplish as a group, things I want to accomplish, again, as an individual. So anyways, just wanted to show you guys kind of my perspective, my side of it a little bit, and I think you guys are going to enjoy. Appreciate every single one of you. You girlies are the realest. And here is Trey's MJ BizCon view. Check it out.
We got more. Oh man. You don't have to do it, but I'm just saying this is just me and Rob trying to make sure that we have enough marijuana.
Go. That double barrel, son.